We are all here in Chennai to celebrate a very special season with Diwali coming up. It is truly India's biggest festive season. Deepavali is a big shopping festival section also. And today we are showcasing at the mall all the big brands and the festive collections in the mall. So it's going to be a real Diwali dhamaka. And we've put together a fashion show. We've got singers, we've got dancers, international performers. எல்லாரும் வந்துட்டு with Mr. Dino as the showstopper of the evening. He will be wearing the collections of Diesel, which is, I think, one of his favorite brands also.
It is one of my favorites.
Yeah. And Phoenix has become a household word, especially in cities like Bangalore, Bombay, and Chennai, because of the high quality merchandise that is always available here and always great deals, great prices. And with the kind of collection that we are showing today, you will see that the Deepavali collections are truly stupendous. So I look forward to having you all at the show. Rombo nalla footage varudanga vandita. You can really get a lovely section of dancing, singing, fashion. So please don't miss the show, because we have come from all over the country. People have gathered over here to bring you the best of talent, the best of entertainment. So I would request you all to please come at 6 o'clock and start watching the show. The show is in 3 parts with intermissions in between, so you can catch any part of it. So it will be very interesting for you to see. So Ritu Mehta is the head of Phoenix, and she runs Bangalore and Chennai, and she is the one who has put together this event. It has been conceptualized by her, and her favorite showstopper is Dino. So he always comes to
Present, madam.
finish our shows. And you've never done a Tamil film,
I've
Dino?
done Kannakonde and Kannakonde.
Tell them.
You've seen Kannakonde and Kannakonde?
Oh, Pathak
For a long
Rugo.
time, yes. Thank you. I'm really hoping Maniratnam sir gives me another offer, or Mr. Stalin gives me another offer.
Twitter marketing should come more often to Chennai.
I know. And I should improve my Tamil. Tamil konju pesa mudiyum. But everything I was supposed to say, Prasad just said. So I just want to say I've had a long association with Phoenix, and it's been fantastic. Every time I do something for them in Bangalore, or it's Bangalore only, right? Or Bombay,
Bangalore, yeah.
or Mumbai, and now here in Chennai
Chennai.
for the first time. Always happy to be associated with Phoenix because they do a fantastic. Firstly, they have one of the most beautiful malls, whether it's here, whether it's in Hyderabad, whether it's in Bangalore or in Mumbai, and to be present here and to participate in the festivities, especially in the show which Prasad's putting together. It's always fun to come here, showcase the brands over here, and to just have a good time. I hope to see you all this evening, and please don't forget to tell Maniratnam sir that I want to do a Tamil film with him.
Only money or any
Any other good director, I'm ready, present. Yes, but please come this evening and watch. It'll be very, very entertaining.
You all have any questions? You all can ask him. Okay, so welcome.
Vanakkam. Vanakkam.
Welcome to Phoenix, Market City, and Palladium. So we have been associated with Prasad, Midappa, and Diru for a very long time now. But yes, this is the first time we are getting them to Chennai. I would just like to explain you that for the festive season, we had launched an IP called Phoenix Festival, which starts from Navratras and goes up to Christmas, December. In this entire 3 months, like 90 days, the mall is decorated with either Diwali theme or Christmas theme when Christmas comes in, to give a different experience to our customers whenever they visit our mall. Every time they visit our mall, they will see a different kind of installation done, wherein they take so many pictures. Memories are created over here with families, with friends, and the best part is that we have almost 400 brands which also participate with us. They get the best merchandise, as Prasad said, to our mall, which you might not see now. There are other stores across the city, and they are also very happy to be associated with us in giving that experience to our customers. So it is not only about shopping, but also about when you come to a mall, how you spend with your family, with your friends, you know, be it our entertainment, which goes on throughout these 3 months, you know, the different kind of restaurants which we have, movies, you know, we have a lovely multiplex here, and then we have events wherein we have, you know, Bollywood coming in, or we have a lot of our
Concerts.
Tamil stars also coming in. We just had a very big event with for a movie. Which one was that? But
Bicep.
Bison. You know, and it was really, you know, I think there were 4,000 people who come to see the star that day. We've also had A.R. Rahman ji come here. We had actors, different actors have come here. So Phoenix has become a place wherein we want to, you know, call the veterans as well as also give chance to the new talent. So the today the models who will be walking the ramp have been selected from a model hunt which we do in Bangalore, and then they, you know, become them, they are trained in his institute, and then they go on to become either models or stars, film stars, or in print. You know, this time even the print campaign what we have done, can you just show the print campaign what we have done, the ad what we have done, which has come yesterday in Times of India, today also it is there in Times of India, is all the models there are the budding models. So we have given them a platform to, you know, fulfill their dreams. So they are, it's not that they are not studying or they are not doing pursuing any other career. They are also, many of these models are either going to become doctors or engineers, or, you know, pursuing some career in AI, but this is also their passion which they are, you know, they would like to explore. So we give them that platform every year. We also did one model hunt in Chennai some 2 years back we had done, right? But unfortunately we don't have place here because our courtyard is currently under maintenance. So we will get that model hunt again to Chennai. And thank you so much for coming in such large numbers and giving us that opportunity to put across our IP and events to the people of Chennai. Thank you.
And don't forget, the sales also are very good.
Yeah.
The sales are very good. You can go and shop.
But one of the things that is very important is that Phoenix offers a platform to the youth of India. They come from all over the country and take part in the contest that Phoenix puts together. And I think that's very important because in this country there are not many platforms. In the days that you won, there was Glad Rags, which no longer
not much.
exists.
There was not many.
Mr. India, which has just come back again this year.
Yes.
But Phoenix is much more democratic. So students and young people come from all over the country. This year we had literally from Kashmir to Kanyakumari, people have come. And I think that's very important because there is no other platform that polishes the youngsters and gives them the opportunity to join films. Two of our students have signed a film with Mr. Indrajit Lankesh in Bangalore, and one of the boy is doing the lead, and the girl is doing a side role. But it just Phoenix opens the door, offers the platform, and opens the door for youngsters, and that is one of the reasons I'm very proud to be associated with them because we all believe that it is the youth of this country that are going to take us forward, and that with the right training and the proper grooming, they can really rule the world.
Simultaneously in all the places. Because that is planned in such a way. It's started simultaneously or just back to back. Chennai, Bangalore. What is other cities?
So see,
Lucknow.
so Phoenix is present in almost 8 to 10 cities now, and we are expanding more. Every mall has their own, you know,
IP.
ecosystem, and because depending on that city, what it is in. In South, we have some commonalities in terms of events, Chennai and Bangalore, or some, and okay, and also because they have their own, you know, very big industry in terms of you know, film industry. So we give a lot of importance to that as well. Like in Karnataka, we do more of Karnataka events. In Chennai, we do more of Tamil stars and events. So yeah.
The response in two-tier cities. Metropolis are
So
fine.
2 tier cities, we are present in Lucknow. We are number one mall there. Again, in the entire Madhya Pradesh, we are Uttar Pradesh, we are the biggest mall. In Madhya Pradesh, we are in Indore. Again, it is the biggest mall there. Okay, 1 million square feet.
Not in Bhopal.
No, we are not present in Bhopal at present. And we are opening in Surat. We are opening in Chandigarh. all these places we are going to be, wherever Phoenix opens, the importance to customer experience, lot of importance. So what is customer experience? Customer experience,
Cultural experience.
yes. So customer experience is when you come to the mall, the decoration, the parking, the way you're welcome to the mall, the fragrance, the music. So we take care of everything, and the brand mix what we carry. So that helps us to be ahead of our competition as well. In the 2-3 cities, we are getting very good response.
Today's event,
Yeah.
the theme is for today's
Prasad will today's event's theme.
Today the theme is festive. Diwali, Deepavali is the theme, both from casual daytime dressing to formal evening wear. So we are showing both the categories. We are showing jewelry. We are showing makeup and hair variations. But fashion is the cornerstone of the entire presentation. And we are showing international brands and the top national brands as well. So, including Aditya Birla brands, some Reliance brands, we're putting everything together. And we are trying to aim it at a Chennai customer who sort of looks for a particular festive look. Because whatever happens in fashion, for us South Indians, we have a South Indian look. Like, that pottu podave and the jewelry that matches it. We have a look and we never go away from that look. Ladies might say the colors might change, but the Kanjivaram will be always be the Kanjivaram. My mother used to go to the shop and say, "Show me the latest Kanjivaram," and there used to be the latest shades in Kanjivaram. It is not static;
And the
it keeps
temple
changing.
jewelry.
Yeah,
Yeah.
temple jewelry. We put all that together. Like the South Indian bride will always have that one look. She will not wear Manish Malhotra or she will not wear Sabyasachi. She will wear Nalli saris or she will wear Deepam from Bangalore or Mysore silk or something like that. So I'm very proud of the fact that fashion, in a way, is not something that changes very. Is much more classic, much more inspired by temple sculpture and the more classical inspirations. So I want to maintain that. We don't want to let that go. So even the younger generation also feels very comfortable in those looks.
how we are going to portray this 5 themes.
Portray the
5 thieves. So we have brands like as you said, the day wear. So we have brands like international brands which are showcasing. The good part about brands also is that they're really adapting to the Indian culture, in the sense the Indian festivals. So we have various brands like Superdry, Diesel, Brook Brothers. In Indian wear, we have Ritu Kumar, we have RMKV, Koski, these all brands which have merchandise for the city where we are present.
even an
In jewelry,
international brand like H&M has come
Yeah.
out with kurtas this year.
H&M had come out with a sari last year, if you remember.
Yeah,
There
and
was a
Indians
sari.
now have a very
Yeah.
powerful voice internationally because of sheer numbers and the kind of buying power that we have. And I think that in a way, retail reflects that power. The more we sort of tend to embrace retail and we like the shopping, we like that kind of a look, it goes to show how India is beginning to dominate the world stage when these brands create products specially for our country. It's a very important thing. Even Diesel will sell colors that sell well in India, styles that sell well in India. Because their winters are severe, they make very thick clothes. But for Chennai and Bangalore, they make thinner, more comfortable kind of clothes also.
In addition to brands, what is the response you get from the customers for this type of shows?
So customers are always, see what happens that fashion shows are very much today also limited to Delhi or Bombay. If you go to see, because there you have those a lot of weeks happening, like Lakme Fashion Week, or we just completed Lakme Fashion Week. I think it's still going on.
Going on.
Today is the last day or tomorrow. Or other fashion shows which are more Bombay and Delhi are the main places. So Bangalore South doesn't see much. So we have started this culture since like 5-6 years now. So we get extremely good response. We also showcase collection from brands or designers who are local, who are not present with us in our mall, but they have customers in the city. And so we like to showcase, as we said, that we have a lot of talent participating. We also have a lot of talent who showcase their collection over here, in our shows. So this year also we have a very good designer, Vaishnavi. Vaishnavi, if you all know,
Chaitanya Rao is there
Chaitanya
also.
Rao also. So we participate, we make them also participate with us, even if they are not present in the mall, so that they also get a space.
How is the response? How many visitors you are expecting?
So today we almost have registered. So since we have a very limited place here, like unlike our other malls where we have a full event space, we have a limited space. So we only had invited around 300 people. Rest, whoever will come, will be there in the mall, but they wouldn't be seated. So 300 of our HNIs and our customers or guests will be seated today.
But they also get a very good view from the
Yeah.
first and second floor balconies
Correct.
also. It's a good
So
view.
that is the reason we have created this very big ramp. I think 100 feet. How much feet long? 100 feet long. We have created, which is visible from all the atriums also. So everybody gets to enjoy it.
How is the view from the first
Soon I'll make a press conference. I'll call you back in 2 minutes.
From
That's how
the
they show you a fan.
first day 4 years, sir.
yes. So our response from the, I would say from the first year only has been very good, but every year it just increases. The participation, when your brands are participating with you more, we understand that they are getting good response. You know, when the brand participation becomes more, then we know that okay, you know that the response has been good previous year, so they have been coming now with us again.
Focus on the international brands. Maybe the percentage may be little, but you do give trust.
We give it to all our brands who are present with us in the mall, whether it's international, national brands, local brands. We give it to everybody. You know that we don't do that because if everybody is present in the mall, they are all our partners. So depending on the occasion, we give them that. Like if it is Diwali, obviously we'll have a lot of traditional brands. Now if we have a show wherein in December, so it will be more of Western party wear. So we'll have those brands coming in. Yes, yes.
How do you balance shopping entertainment during this?
Shopping at?
How do you balance shopping and entertainment?
So you experience it today. Today you will know how we balance it. So the people who come are usually during events when we used to have very big event like when we had AR Rahman show and all those shows that time. The people would come much before the show, shop, eat, and then because everybody wants to sit a little ahead, right? So whoever comes and obviously people take time to reach. There's traffic. There's not, you know, they take some time to reach the place. So they spend the whole day. Mostly the customers who come here, the dwell time is almost 4 to 5 hours. And they come for a movie, it becomes an entire day because 3-4 hours is your movie time, right?
Average time? Average.
Yeah, average dwelling time would be around 3 hours for our customers. Anything else you would like to ask from our showstopper
Come and
guest?
Just come and watch this evening. It'll be fun.
So how are you feeling about Chennai?
I love Chennai. Yeah. I used to live in Bangalore when I was growing up, so I used to come to Chennai very often. And I'm coming back now after a few years. I always like it. I always love Chennai.
Your sister lives in Kunur. No.
In Kunur, yeah.
Yeah. So you have a Tamil Nadu connection
I have
still.
a Tamil Nadu connection. Always had a Tamil Nadu connection.
Okay,
Yeah.
you all will please come and join us.
Thank you.
Thank you, everyone.
Thank you.